tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
Right there.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties.
Right over us, really low clouds.
Day and speak. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for eastern Edmonds, southwestern Brown, northeastern Sauk, southeastern McPherson, and northwestern Speke counties.
Oh, lightning.
At 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms.
It's really dark over there.
Extending from Plainview Colony to near Aberdeen to Stratford, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
That's not even, that's the,
Source,
not
radar
even that bad
indicated.
one.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Comes the winds, straight line winds. That straight line winds just came right through us.
Barnard, Columbia, and Sand Lake Wildlife Refuge.
Holy smokes.
Tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m.
It's just down. New tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Roberts County in northeastern South Dakota, southeastern Bay County in northeastern South Dakota, northwestern Grant County in northeastern South Dakota, northern Connington County in northeastern South Dakota, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located along a line extending from near Fluence to near South Shore, moving north at 65 miles per hour.
This is, oh my god.
Tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Flying debris will be dangerous.
Where's the sirens at?
Mobile homes will be damaged
They
or
have
destroyed.
to have to.
Windows and vehicles will occur.
Holy
Tree
crap.
damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Bitter Lake around 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight.